Yeah, and no one can stand where they usually stand. Like you have
Yeah,
to go further in because you'll bloody pull bubbles.
yeah. We basically all run to the right. I mean, on
Yeah,
the map it's
where
to
the
the left,
electrician
but
is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't
yeah,
not where the jump starter is. Yeah.
yeah.
Anti's key.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just trying to remember what we're getting extra. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The big pool is
Roar.
witch lust.
Divine Shield.
Purify Spirit, ready. Purify Spirit, ready.
Flamethrower.
Purify Spirit,
Ooh, the pop is
ready.
good.
Freedom.
Kick.
You mean to pull those?
Capacitor ready.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I thought it was me that pulled them.
I just wait until I get some rage in.
Okay.
Purify Spirit, ready. Kick. Purify Spirit, ready.
Okay, I'm gonna pull the
Purify
surveyor
Spirit,
and fire.
ready.
Gonna be rooted, careful.
Purify Spirit, ready.
Winged up.
Freedom.
Dwarf. Kick. Ascendance, ready.
Oh, what all I put a vortex I shouldn't have. Okay, he's dead. Trying to kill my melee players.
Yeah, one doesn't do that much. It's like when they're all together.
Oh god, no.
Roar.
I got it.
A sec for threat.
Capacitor ready.
Or this is boss after.
Purify Spirit,
Someone step real
ready.
if you can.
Yep.
Nature's Swiftness ready. Purify Spirit, ready. Purify Spirit, ready.
Okay, going boss after
Purify
this.
Spirit, ready.
Roar.
I'm gonna pull the contractors in from the start. I want to pull him back here.
Nature's swiftness ready.
Horrible start.
Yeah. I'm staying here for like 1 sec just to crash all of these shit. Then I'm going this way. How did that freaking get me from behind the box? Hold on.
Yeah, it's so freaking dumb.
Lay in
Same
hand.
shit, I'm going backwards.
Capacitor ready. Astral shift ready.
Maximum disruption can
Ascendance
never happen.
ready.
I know we should kick them all. Fine just now. I'm just saying.
I think they happen so far apart that Anti could all solo it.
Yeah, but then see like. It's
No,
kinda
I'm just
busy.
saying, like, the Mythic, it's kind of crazy. Yeah, next bull is not the box. Kill the boss. Let me get some threat a bit. Bring this down.
Wait. I thought it was a box.
I thought it was the opposite. Yeah.
it was
Oh fuck, yeah, you're right. No, I'm retarded.
Purify
Yeah, you're
spirit
right.
ready.
It was the box. My bad. Okay, yeah.
Purify
end the 15
spirit
on
ready.
the right way.
Why? I think it's better.
No, it's for anti. It's for this different.
Oh. But is this pull harder for anti?
No, it's to split the blood warpers pull in two.
Oh, I see.
Nature's
So they're not
swiftness
back to
ready.
back.
Purify spirit ready.
Yeah. I forgot that it was the box first.
The fact that you brought these two in is good too, because it's gonna make the pull higher, less crazy.
Yeah, I like it better too. Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Roar.
It's just this one. Actually, water down.
Yeah.
More blood.
Purify spirit ready. Stone bulwark
Alright,
totem
spell.
ready. Kick.
Need
The
psych, let
spell.
me know.
The spell.
Sorry.
Ascendance ready.
I think you could have put me at like 5 or so.
Purify spirit ready. Kick.
No, I get it. He just has dispel. Maybe if you can dispel before it. Something.
I got it.
Got it.
Let's go.
I don't want to lose my
They die.
rage. And it makes it easier to group it too. I like that.
Yeah, yeah. Those two fucks in the stairs is definitely annoying. RPGs.
Nature's swiftness ready.
Up.
Blind for the reload.
Yep.
I have cap totem. Sand,
Mana
sand, sand.
potion. I
I
just
can
used
get
the
this reload.
mana potion, dude.
Astral shift. Ready. Kick.
Yeah, it's just easier because it's a 14. Like let's be real. Like on 15, this pool's gonna be nuts.
You don't pull the architect before I get to it.
Yeah, but how?
What?
Ja, dat is een kan
Yeah,
wel.
I mean, from bad.
Still?
No,
Okay.
Okay.
everybody did that.
Okay, I'm going.
Divine shield.
Dwarf.
Oh, the harpoon.
Dude.
Capacitor ready.
I got you.
Ascendance. Ready.
I kicked mine because he was targeting me earlier. I kicked one and the other one started targeting me right after. I just
Freedom.
bubbled it.
I'm just making this
Oh,
awkward.
Yeah.
Harpoon on NT. Oh, good kick.
Yeah, I'm trying. They're like in the middle. I can't kick them.
Yeah, rough. That pull didn't start very well. Next
Well,
pull
we
is
can just like not do this. This was like really fucking dog shit, I think.
Ooh.
Oh, the bombs are still real.
Hey, dude, Grim's going speedrun up the stairs.
Roar.
I'm healing you.
You're lusting here, right?
Yeah. It's with
Yeah, but wait until.
Oh, sorry.
yeah, yeah.
Stop listening early, please.
Capacitor ready.
Is it flamethrower? Oh, okay. My the animation was showing it all the way back here.
Melee's aids.
I've seen horse
Ah,
pulls.
I'm a hero.
It's pretty chill. Mel, make sure you stay on Bront.
Welcome to the fire
Yeah.
and ready.
You barely move with that leap.
Ascendance. Ready. Purify spirit. Ready.
Roar.
That's the last bomb. You can insta dispel.
I'm out. Let's go.
Purify spirit. Ready.
$90.
Dwarf.
No way. That wasn't. Didn't get any.
Let's get the 3 maybe.
Right, get good.
I got 2.
Purify spirit. Ready.
Should be able to get the last one.
There's one here. There's one here.
People, the person who
Go.
gets the
Grimgy.
jump back.
Nature's swiftness ready. Purify spirit, ready.
Sacred
Good sign.
freedom.
We'll need to get at least 2 with this one.
Purify spirit,
Just
ready.
hold. Have to go get one at least.
There's one all the way to the corner here. Oh, ah,
One
why-
fire pre-move.
Got her.
Do it.
Purify spirit, ready. Nature's swiftness ready.
You can just
Purify spirit,
kill, right?
ready.
I just wasn't sure. I'm like, I'm gonna do it just in case.
I got the bombs.
After I'm doing the gun.
Me too, but you can't tell. There's no animation. I can wait for Mel.
Roar.
Okay.
Call. It's gonna be roar first. Call for the AoE stuff you want, Warb. Call
Okay,
for who's doing
I'm
it next
roaring first. I'm waiting for 3. Okay, blind next.
one. Waiting for one more. Now.
Okay, cap totem next.
There was none.
Wanna do the storm? Do the storm power.
I can vortex this. What do we have left?
Nature's swiftness ready.
We don't have anything left. Send whatever you have. Individual CCs. I need a better tracker for these. I think I saw Yoda as like a pretty good one. Okay.
I think your call was fine. I think your call were good though.
The cap was a bit early. But...
Careful, the path is behind coming towards us. Come up. So we get one back, not in the path.
Dude, don't be in melee, just give me a sec, I can move it a little bit behind.
Oh, they'll be back.
Like a tiny bit. There. That first fucking melee just... What the fuck?
Yeah, the melee is just dangerous if you're in melee range of the boss.
No, I mean like he meleeed me for...
Oh yeah.
For like
Nature's
a crazy
swiftness
amount.
ready.
I don't have fucking... time for this.
Leo.
Now what the fuck are those waves?
That was-
There's one right under the boss. Watch out.
Right behind us as well.
More behind.
At the bubble there, sadly.
Yeah. Try to leave with the wall behind us.
Again, one under boss.
I'm gonna heal myself a little bit here.
Nature's swiftness ready. Astral shift, ready. Spirit Walker's grace ready.
True boss. Behind us.
Move back, move back, move back.
Ascendance, ready. Nature's swiftness ready.
Alright, I'm not sending roar here.
1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't send Aurora there.
Let me drink real quick.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Still like here.
Do timer.
3, 2, 1. Roar.
It's gonna be really funny if it doesn't work. Alright, it doesn't work. How the fuck did they pass?
Release.
We got the Compartus.
Astral shift, ready. Dwarf,
It's photoshopped.
Only the strongest survive.
Alright, we're good. It's gonna be a fucked pull, but we're good.
Freedom.
nature's swiftness ready.
Jump down the ground.
I knew that, guys. We can pull the pull behind bubbles.
Purify spirit, ready.
Yeah, well, we're gonna have to do the meld shit.
Let's try and time this shit though.
Purify spirit, ready. Dwarf,
Where are like, what are these mobs?
They're the mobs from the pull behind bubbles.
Oh, oh, you didn't die.
No,
How did
purify
bubbles
spirit, ready.
How didn't you die? You just
I
survived the
melded.
splash? Oh.
I know.
Stone bulwark totem, ready.
So can you do the meld pull? Like, are we killing bubbles?
We have to. I melded. I
Okay, let's
melded.
go. Go, go, go.
Can I? Oh,
Oh, we could have tried with fine.
Ascendance, ready.
or like on my pad.
Like, I just don't want to, like, it's still a 14, we want to upgrade into a 15, that's possibly doable, so I don't want to fuck XP just because we missed that thing.
Backwash, backwash. I gotta have to check on Black and Blood again, because like I swear I saw it, but I also saw
Capacitor
a
ready.
clip of exactly what happened to this happen. So
Maybe we have to go farther up.
maybe, but we still had the debuff, like the buff. I don't know. Like we still had the sprints. Like it's not like. Can we like back sprints? Like
Can
if
we
I
what?
roar on your horse, you get the
Oh,
bolt,
I
or
go-
you just get the highest.
I go faster with Force than Roar, but I kept the Roar just... I'm pretty sure I would have cleared it if I was a Norse.
With just a roar, I was all the way at the extremity of it. I still got hit by it, so I don't think the roar is enough. We can
Roar's
also try to
70%,
do the.
Roar's 70, right?
Let's check. I forgot. It's 60.
60, okay.
Freedom.
Can we skip those dudes? Invest maybe?
Oh.
Pull him with the next one.
Never mind then.
Purify spirit, ready. Astral shift, ready. Dwarf,
Yeah, we have left.
purify spirit,
cities.
ready.
Yeah, I mean, I just send them here, but yeah.
Okay, guys, I wanted to get together, but the electric took forever. Yeah, that's realistic. Well, I guess now we just
Purify
boss.
spirit,
Blows boss.
ready.
Yeah. I wanted to do it together, but like with the electric, it sucks.
Just pull that guy. on the
Purify
next.
spirit, ready. Purify spirit, ready. Purify
Extra.
Spirit, ready. Purify Spirit, ready. Purify Spirit, ready. Ascendance, ready.
Go.
Roar.
Marked. That's cool.
Nature's swiftness ready. Capacitor ready. Stone bulwark totem, ready.
Drink. I'm gonna have to link at the beginning of the boss.
Roar.
Or we can use okay.
Soon I shall have the power
Okay, you can go.
I require. You dare question me? Face annihilation.
Left.
It's working.
Nature's swiftness ready.
I go that way.
Spirit Walker's grace ready.
Bullshit.
Ascendance, ready.
Hey, did only once this time.
Well, because you have Turtle.
No, because I cancelled Turtle earlier once. Because I did twice.
Because you had Turtle. Now it's 2.
No, 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 no. I had Turtle once. And I cancelled Turtle after the first zap. And then it hit me with another zap.
Nature's swiftness ready.
These fucking bubbles are conspiring against me, making me lose my fucking buff.
Yeah, maybe it's oh, let's see, you got 2.
Roar. Divine shield.
Oh, what the fuck? That wasn't. How did
That was not electrified, huh?
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
Yeah, dude. Fucking bullshit game. I'm like, there's no way I just sourced into electrified water, I just bubbled.
No, it wasn't. I was literally going for that same bubble. I was gonna go through that same bubble right behind you.
I just saved the key, boys.
That's fucked. What the heck?
Sorry.
Lay on hands.
Nature's swiftness ready.
I thought I was gonna hit the puddle there.
Spirit Walker's grace ready.
I'm just gonna cat my spark. Yeah, I feel like we weren't even close to clearing bubbles. Like, I don't know how they're doing it.